Om Swastiastu. Hello, good morning student. How are you today? Thank you. I am fine too. And for today I will to explain the material about education concept and let me to share the PowerPoint for the presentation. Okay, let me start the presentation today. The first material is about definition of education. The first by Ki Hajar Dewantara. Education generally means effort to advance character. In this case, advancing character means learning about behaviors, good manners, which later can make students grow with good behaviors. The next is Plato. Education is to help the development of each of the body. In this case, students are taught to develop their physical and intellectual abilities. For the example is when we exercise and use our bodies to carry out activity. For example, helping parents works and developing reason in learning in the class. The next is by Ibnu Mukafa. Education is finding what we need to get something that will use all our sense to achieve a high civilization, which is the sensity of reason and spirituality. The last is John Dewey. Education is a process of renewing the meaning of experience. Because life is growth, education means helping humans' inner growth without being limited by age. The growth process is the process of adjusting each part and adding skill in a person's developing through education. And it can be concluded that education is a process of developing one's own abilities. Okay, the next material is about education concept by Ki Hajar Dewantara. The first is learners. Learners is individual who have distinctive physical and psychological potential, are developing need individual, guidance and human treatment, and have the abilities to be independent. Next is educator. Educator is guided by the principle of Chuhurianayani, provide motivation, idea, and be an example for students. Next is learning objectives. Independent human in this case are students who can participate in learning activities without cultures and carry out learning activities with healthy physical and mental condition. The next is study method. The among method is to assist and direct. Educators are obliged to develop students according to the character of student and the character of the local cultural environment. The last is principle of learns. The learning concept by Ki Hajar Dewantara has 4 principles, and I will to explain one by one. Okay, I will to explain the principle of learns by Ki Hajar Dewantara. The first is independence principle, namely giving independence to students for positive freedom. The next is the principle of culture is derived from the culture of the nation, but follows a positive and advanced external culture in accordance with the time. The third is national principle, namely fostering a sense of nation unit respecting other nation. And the last is humanity principle, educate students to become human beings who have a sense of humanity. The next material about education path. The first is formal education. Formal education is a system, structure, and multi-level activity starting from elementary school until university. Second is informal education. Informal education is a process that lasts throughout the ages so that everyone acquires values, attitudes, knowledge, and skill that come from daily life experience. And the last is non-formal education. Non-formal education is very organized and systematic activities outside the school system or carried out independently. Okay, and for the last material is about education benefit. There are giving skill, educate student, forming moral and attitude, adding scientific insight, and the last is preparing qualified young generation. Okay, student, that's all our material today. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a good day, and I close with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you.